Well, I decided I wanted to get this old Oldsmobile running, just make sure it still ran. Transmission's shot on it, but I just wanted to run it for a little bit. So here we go. I got a little gas oil mix here. I'm going to put it in this carburetor. So that I want to try to fill the bowl. This car hadn't run in about, I don't know, probably 10 years. Transmission's no good in it, but I want to get it started. Got a battery in it. Then we'll squirt a little gas right down the carburetor, and I'm going to turn the engine and we'll bring the thunder. Yeah, she's a runner. Yeah, my phone fell down. I had her running for a little bit, but it died. And so we're gonna try her again here. Looks like we got a runner.